Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off green dot on any Samsung phone. Now, the green dot appears when an app on your smartphone uses the camera or the microphone. So it shows a green dot at the top of the screen to inform you that an app is using the camera or the microphone of your smartphone. Now, sometimes the green dot appears on the screen when you are on your home screen or when you are not using an app that requires the camera or the microphone access. Now, to fix this issue, now just open the recent apps section of your smartphone. Now from here, just check if there is an app which is using the microphone or the camera in the background. Just like that. Now, if this did not fix your issue, just go to the recent apps section and tap on close all. Now, just go to the recent apps section and check if there is an app which is active. Now, if this option appears on the screen, just tap on active apps. From here, just tap on stop. Now, just tap on done. Now, if this did not fix your issue, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on apps. Now just tap on the three dots over here and tap on permission manager. Now from here, just turn off the access to the camera for the apps which you don't want to have the access of the camera of your smartphone. Now just tap on the app. Now if you want to remove the access of the camera, just tap on don't allow. Just like that. Now just go back. From here, just scroll down. Now in the microphone section, just turn off the access to the microphone for the apps which you don't want to have the access to the microphone of your smartphone. Just like that. Now, if this did not fix your issue, just reboot your smartphone. Now, to do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. Now from here, just tap on the power icon over here and tap on restart. Now it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to restart and to fix the green dot issue. Now, as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. And this is how you can turn off green dot on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.